Alright guys, welcome back. So today I got this 2001 Toyota Corolla LE. So I want to show you the timing marks on it. So in case your timing belt cut like this one. So this is the old timing belt. This one is snap. So I get an old timing kit. Let's see. So this is the box it comes in. For the timing, that's the box. This is the belt, and it comes with the tensioner right here, also the idle pulley wheel, come with the water pump when you buy the whole kit. So I remove one of the spark plug at number 1 and make sure it's top dead center. So I use a screwdriver to make sure the pistons come all the way to the top dead center. And then right here there is a hole on the cam gear right here. You see, that's the hole right there at the top. There's a mark right behind where that hole is. There's a mark, there's a slot, just to make sure that this hole right here lines up with it. Let me see if I can get to show you guys. Alright, there's the light. Alright, so there's a little slot right in between that piece right there, that hole right there, and the head itself right there. So let me rotate the motor and see if I can get a better view on it, guys. Let me show you where that hole is. That screw. Alright then, so you see that slot right here, guys. Alright, that's the slot on the top right here, guys. It's a bit difficult to show you based on where the motor is, but I can see that that little groove right there. That's it, guys, right there. So just make sure this hole right here line up with that groove. So I'm going to bring it back. Alright, so normally it's jump right there. I'm going to do a little adjustment to get it center. Alright, so let me use the glass and check. It's inspection glass. Alright, so it lines right up right there, guys. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, so it lines up. And for the crankshaft pulley, see this one right here. So there's a groove right here on the pulley. So in case the groove broke off or anything, just make sure that screwdriver top dead center the piston all the way to the top, and it should line up. So this is the cover. Alright, so whenever this mark line up to the 0, that's your timing right here, guys. Timing mark, that's 0. So make sure at all time it's 0 out right here. And there you go, guys. Take a good look on it. So I'm going to catch the belt on. This one. Alright, guys. That's it. Alright, so I'm going to catch the belt on and show you the belt after I catch on, guys. So stay tuned for the other part of the video. Okay, guys, so I get the belt on, everything lined up properly. The groove at the top center, the crankshaft pulled down there center also, top dead center, screwdriver on the top. So I'm gonna put back everything together and it should crank right up. There you go, guys. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, guys, so I get the belt on, everything lined up properly. The groove at the top center, the crankshaft pulled down there center also, top dead center, screwdriver on the top. So I'm gonna put back everything together and it should crank right up. So guys, so if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.